Hey Lina, class is over. How was it today?
It was okay, but I don't feel happy.
Oh, what happened? You look sad.
Some classmates laughed when I tried to speak English.
Really? Why did they laugh?
I said something wrong. I wanted to say, I like eating ice cream, but I said, I like eating ice cream. Everyone laughed so loudly.
Oh, I see. That's a small mistake, Lina. It happens to everyone.
Maybe it's small for you, but it felt big for me. I felt embarrassed.
I understand. But you shouldn't feel that way. You were learning. And learning means making mistakes.
I know, but it still hurts when people laugh.
I know. But remember, even I made mistakes before.
You? Really?
Yes. One time I said, I am very exciting, instead of, I am very excited. Everyone laughed, but I laughed too.
That's funny.
See? If you can laugh too, it doesn't hurt anymore. It becomes funny, not painful.
Maybe you're right, but I don't have your confidence.
You will, Lina. Just keep speaking. Every word you say is one step forward. Let's practice English in real life today.
Real life? Oh no, that's scary.
Don't worry. Just order something in English. I'll be next to you.
Hello, what would you like to drink?
I want a cup of cappuccini?
You mean cappuccino?
Yes, cappuccino, please.
Sure, one cappuccino coming up.
You did great, Lina.
But she laughed when I said it wrong.
She didn't laugh to make fun of you. She smiled because it was cute. She understood what you meant.
Still, I feel shy. My face turns red every time.
That's normal. I used to feel the same, but the more you speak, the less shy you become.
I hope so.
You will. You already did something brave today. You spoke English to a stranger. That's amazing.
Maybe I did.
Yes! Next time, you'll say cappuccino perfectly.
I'll practice tonight.
So, how's your morning going?
Funny and embarrassing.
What happened?
My boss asked me for the file, but I said fly.
Oh no. What did your boss say?
He laughed and said, "Not a fly, Lina. I don't need a fly."
That's funny.
Yes, I laughed too. Before, I would feel bad, but this time I laughed with them.
That's wonderful. You're learning to enjoy the process.
Yes, I think it's better to laugh at my mistakes than to hide.
That's the right attitude. Remember, when you laugh, you learn faster.
I believe that now. You know, Tom, sometimes I feel I'll never be good at English.
Why do you say that?
Because when I listen to native speakers, they talk so fast. I can't even catch the words.
That's normal. You just need time. Don't compare your beginning with their years of practice.
True. But I still feel small sometimes.
That's okay. Feeling small just means you care about improving.
I like that.
Just remember, every day you speak,
you grow. You're better today than yesterday.
Better than yesterday. I like that phrase.
It's my favorite too. Okay, Lina, let's practice again. Try to buy something in English.
Oh no, people might laugh again.
I'll be right beside you.
Hello, how can I help you?
Hello? I want 1 kilo of apple.
You mean 1 kilo of apples?
Oh, yes, apples. Thank you.
No problem. Your English is good.
Thank you.
See? You did it again.
I was nervous, but the seller was kind.
Most people are. When they see you trying, they respect you.
I think I'm starting to enjoy this.
That's the spirit.
Tom, guess what?
What happened?
I met a tourist today near the park.
Really? What did you say?
I said, "Hello, you tourist?" Then I quickly corrected, "Are you a tourist?"
Nice. That's quick thinking.
And you know what? He smiled and said, "Your English is very good."
Wow, that must have felt great.
Yes, I felt so proud. For the first time, nobody laughed.
You see? Confidence changes everything.
I think so. I didn't worry about mistakes. I just spoke.
That's what fluent speakers do. They speak even with mistakes.
I'm learning that lesson now.
Let's look for some easy English books.
I like this one, Everyday Conversations in English.
Good choice.
Reading is easy for me, but speaking is still hard.
That's normal. Reading and speaking use different muscles.
Muscles?
Yes. Your tongue, mouth, and mind all need practice. It's like exercising your brain.
So I'm doing language exercise every day?
Exactly. English gym.
Then I'll go to the English gym every day.
You look confident today, Lina.
Yes, I don't feel shy anymore.
That's amazing.
I realized something. When people laugh, it doesn't mean they hate me. It means I'm learning.
That's beautiful.
Even babies are laughed at when they say words wrong. People smile because it's part of growing.
Exactly. You're growing every day.
I still make mistakes, but I smile now.
And that smile makes you a great learner.
So, what's your plan for improving English next?
I want to practice with foreigners more. I'll go to an English club.
Great idea.
I'm nervous, though. What if people laugh again?
Then you laugh with them. Remember your rule? Laugh and keep speaking.
Right. If I stop speaking, I stop learning.
Exactly.
I will go this weekend. Wish me luck.
You don't need luck. You just need courage. And you already have that.
Tom, the English club was amazing.
Really? Tell me everything.
At first, I was nervous. I said, "I am interesting to meet you." And everyone laughed.
Oh no!
But then I said, "Oops, I mean, I am interested to meet you." Everyone clapped.
That's fantastic, Lina.
You turned a mistake into fun.
Yes. After that, I felt free. I talked with many people.
I'm so proud of you.
Thank you. I finally feel like I'm really learning.
Tom, do you remember when I was afraid to speak?
Of course. But now you speak confidently.
It feels like a dream. Before, when people laughed, I wanted to cry. Now, when they laugh, I smile.
That's true growth, Lina.
I think the biggest lesson I learned is this. Don't stop speaking because of laughter.
Well said. Mistakes are part of progress.
Yes, laughter can be my teacher too.
So, Lina, what's your next goal?
I want to help others who are shy like me. I want to tell them, don't be afraid.
That's a great goal. You'll inspire many learners.
You know, Tom, when I speak English, people may still laugh, but now I don't feel hurt. I feel happy because I'm improving.
That's the true spirit of learning.
Thank you for always supporting me.
Anytime. You worked hard and believed in yourself. That's why you changed.
Now, when I hear laughter, I hear progress.
And that's the best sound in learning.